Hello friends, welcome to Let's Study with Ria channel. Friends, today's topic is top 20 current affairs of 2021 means January to September as quiz formation. Every question you will be given 5 seconds, then discussion will be continued with static GK. And this session is very helpful for all competitive exams. So let's start. Friends, as learning teaching material, I will try to maintain these themes like that motivational quote for encouraging you, MCQs, topic related pictures, huge static GK and explanation with essential information.
Quote of the day: a winner is a dreamer who never gives up.
Today's first question is where International Yoga Festival was inaugurated in India? Option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Karnataka, option C Uttarakhand, option D Rajasthan. Friends, right answer is Uttarakhand and the particular place is Rishikesh. Additional information is every year International Yoga Day is observed on 21st June and theme of 2021 is Yoga for Wellness. Our next question is India described which country as a priority one partner in defense? Option A Nepal, option B Afghanistan, option C Sri Lanka, option D Bhutan. Right answer is India described to Sri Lanka as priority one partner in defense. Present President of Sri Lanka is Gotabaya Rajapaksa and present Prime Minister is Mahinda Rajapaksa. Our next question is who became first cricketer to have 100 million followers on Instagram? Right answer is Virat Kohli as Indian and also in the world as cricketer. Additional information, Portuguese footballer Cristiano Ronaldo tops the chart with 265 million followers. Question number 4. India's Varun Kapoor and Malvika Bansal related to which sports? Option A table tennis, option B wrestling, option C cricket, option D badminton. Right answer is badminton. Varun Kapoor and Malvika Bansal clinched the men's and women's singles titles in 2021 Uganda International Badminton Tournament in Kampala. Question number 5. Who became third man to hit 6 sixes in an over in international cricket? Option A David Warner, option B Jason Holder, option C Kieron Pollard, option D Sachin Tendulkar. Right answer is Kieron Pollard from West Indies and first person is former South African batsman Herschel Gibbs and second person is United States of America batsman Jaskaran Malhotra. Question number 6. Which country to build the world's first refuge for the platypus? Option A China, option B Japan, option C America, option D Australia. Answer is Australia means Australia built the world's first refuge for the platypus. Capital of Australia is Canberra. Currency of Australia is Australian dollar and present Prime Minister of Australia is Scott Morrison. Question number 7. Stockholm is the capital of which country? Option A Denmark, option B Sweden, option C Germany, option D Poland. Stockholm is the capital of Sweden and Sweden is under continent of Europe and currency of Sweden is Swedish krona and present Prime Minister is Stefan Löfven. Question number 8. What is the loan limit under the Stand Up India scheme? Option A 15 lakh to 50 lakh, option B 1 lakh to 50 lakh, option C 10 lakh to 1 crore, option D 5 lakh to 1 crore. Right answer is option C, means the loan limit under the Stand Up India scheme is 10 lakh to rupees 1 crore. What is Stand Up India scheme? Aims at promoting entrepreneurship among women and scheduled caste and tribes anchored by Department of Financial Services or DFS. Question number 9. The Mystery of the Parsi Lawyer. This book is written by whom? Option A. Chetan Bhagat. Option B. Lakshmi Roy. Option C. Shravani Basu. Option D. Arundhati Roy. The right answer is option C, means The Mystery of the Parsi Lawyer. This book is written by Shravani Basu. Shravani Basu is a journalist and Sunday Times best-selling author. Birthplace of her is Kolkata in West Bengal. Question number 10. What is the age limit under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? Option A 20 to 55, option B 24 to 50, option C 21 to 55, option D 18 to 50. Right answer is option D, means the age limit under Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is 18 to 50. What is PMJJBY? It's a government-backed life insurance scheme in India, formally launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 9th May in 2015 in Kolkata. Where Neora Valley National Park is located? Option A Uttarakhand, option B Kashmir, option C West Bengal, option D Karnataka. Right answer is West Bengal. Neora Valley National Park is located on Kalimpong district of West Bengal and formation year is 1986. India's first pollinator park has been opened in option A Arunachal Pradesh, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Uttarakhand, option D Punjab. Right answer is Uttarakhand and the particular place is Haldwani in Nainital district. The park has more than 40 pollinator species by various species of butterflies, honeybees, birds, insects, moths, beetles, wasps, and small mammals. Question number 13. Which place has been announced as Tamil Nadu's 38th district? Option A Ranipet, option B Tirupattur, option C Mayiladuthurai, option D Kallakuriku. The right answer is option C, means Mayiladuthurai. The newly formed district has been carved out of Nagapattinam district on 28 December in 2020 by Tamil Nadu's former Chief Minister K. Palaniswamy. Question number 14. Which state government has announced a solar power policy 2021? Option A Telangana, option B Gujarat, option C Madhya Pradesh, option D Rajasthan. The right answer is Gujarat. This policy aims at reducing the power cost of the industrial units by almost 50% and announced by the former Chief Minister of Gujarat Vijay Rupani for the next 5 years. Question number 15. Which state has passed a resolution against centre's agricultural laws? Option A Tamil Nadu, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Kerala, option D Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is option C, means as a fifth state in India, Kerala has passed a resolution against centre's agricultural laws. Before Kerala, 4 states or union territories like that Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Delhi have passed resolutions opposing the farm laws. Question number 16. Who has been honored with a Tansen Samman at the 96th Tansen Music Festival? Option A Dharmendra Kumar, option B Satish Vyas, option C Anupam Roy, option D Udit Narayan. The right answer is option B, means Satish Vyas has been honored with the Tansen Samman at the 96th Tansen Music Festival. Satish Bass is an Indian santur player and musician. 96th Tansen Music Festival has been programmed on Gwalior district in Madhya Pradesh. The award, including the cash component rupees 2 lakh, is conferred every year to pay tribute to Tansen, who was one of the 9 gems of Mughal Emperor Akbar's court. Question number 17. Who has been awarded the Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020? Option A. Binod Kumar Yadav. Option B. Prakash Agarwal. Option C. Sanam Wangchuk. Option D. None of these. Right answer is option A, means Vinod Kumar Yadav has been awarded the Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020. Vinod Kumar Yadav is the administrator of Delhi Gymkhana Club Limited and former chairman or chief executive officer of Indian Railways. He has been awarded for his contribution in the modernization of Indian Railways. This award is given by the Institution of Engineering and Technology or IET. Question number 18. Who has been awarded a knighthood in the United Kingdom New Year's Honours List? Option A. Daniel Craig. Option B. Virat Kohli. Option C. Lewis Hamilton. Option D. None of these. Right answer is option C, means Lewis Hamilton has been awarded a knighthood in the United Kingdom New Year's Honours List. He is a British racing driver and this award comes after winning his 7th world title in November 2020. Question number 19. What is India's rank in World Economic League Table 2021? Option A 5th, option B 6th, option C 8th, option D 9th. Answer is option B, means India's rank in World Economic League Table 2021 is 6th. The Center for Economics and Business Research Limited or CEBR has released this 12th World Economic League Table, means 2021, and in first position is United States, in second position is China, and in third position is Japan. Question number 20. Which bank launched the Use Befikar campaign with MasterCard? Option A. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Option B. SBI or State Bank of India. Option C. RBL Bank. Option D. None of these. Right answer is option C, means RBL Bank launched the Use Befikar campaign with MasterCard. This campaign highlights the versatility of RBL Banks or Ratnakar Bank Limited, MasterCard, credit card and its exciting deals and offers. Strategy about RBL Bank or Ratnakar Bank Limited, founded on 6th August in 1943. It's an Indian private sector bank. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Managing Director or Chief Executive Officer at present is Vishwavir Ahuja and the tagline is Apnoka Bank. Friends, these all informations are very helpful for all competitive exams, especially for banking aspirants. A revision as one-liner for memorizing. Number 1. International Yoga Day was inaugurated on Rishikesh in Uttarakhand. Number 2. India described Sri Lanka as priority 1 partner in defense. Number 3. Virat Kohli became first cricketer to have 100 million followers on Instagram. Number 4. India's Varun Kapoor and Malvika Bansal related to the sports badminton. Number 5. Kieron Pollard became third man to hit 6 sixes in an over in international cricket. Number 6. Australia built the world's first refuge for the platypus. Number 7. Stockholm is the capital of Sweden. Number 8. The loan limit under the Stand Up India scheme is 10 lakh to 100 lakh or 1 crore. Number 9. The Mystery of the Parsi Lawyer, written by journalist Shravani Basu. Number 10, the age limit under Pradhan Mantri Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana is 18 to 50. Number 11, Neora Valley National Park is located in West Bengal. Number 12, India's first pollinator park has been opened in Uttarakhand. Number 13, Moyiladuthurai has been announced as Tamil Nadu's 38th district. Number 14, Gujarat state government has announced a solar power policy 2021. Number 15, Indian musician Satish Bass has been honored with Tansen Samman at the 96th Tansen Music Festival. Number 16, Kerala as 5th state in India has passed a resolution against center's agricultural laws. Number 17, former railway chairman Vinod Kumar Yadav has been awarded the Eminent Engineer Award for the year 2020. Number 18, British racing driver Lewis Hamilton has been awarded a knighthood in the United Kingdom New Year's Honours List. Number 19, India's rank in World Economic League Table 2021 is 6th. Number 20, RBL Bank or Ratnakar Bank Limited launched the Use Wayfarer campaign with MasterCard. Friends, if you get benefits from this class, then please subscribe the channel Let's Study with Ria and press the bell icon to get quick notification.